Here's what I think is really the case. If you look at the three areas we go and add value, there's a very good reason why we have landed on these three things. They support these types of initiatives: mitigating risk, promoting inclusivity, creating safer places to work. That's all a part of management, risk management. Upskilling and reskilling, what does that do? It reduces turnover, increases productivity, increases customer sat. Leadership development programs, what a better way to retain employees, foster a growth culture, increase employee engagement. I don't believe for a second there's a CEO or an executive leadership team out there who disputes these things. They're not, right? These are universally safe and agreeable topics to go get consensus on. And we know that training and development yields these sorts of outcomes. So if we're being told these sorts of answers, I don't buy it. But what I do think is happening is they have these questions. Can my team deliver? What's the likelihood of success? What's the time to actually achieve the results? And is this going to be the quality and the standard that I want? What they really want to know is, can we actually do this? And good news, yes, you can.